So welcome back, guys. So we've come to like a end of one section of the HTML tag. So we want to like test what we've learned so far. So due to that, we'll be doing like a project after rounding up each session, just to know the amount to test or examine the amount of context we are able to like grasp in. So due to that, we'll be using this one. What we'll be doing now is to write what we have in this section. We'll try to write it out, then we'll see how we can be able to do it. So without watching the video or doing anything, just like pause now, study it, then write it out. So I'll also do it for you, but you can pause the video now and just like do what you have on the screen and see if you'll be able to do it without the tutorial. So but if not, you can just walk through with me so that as I create it. So now to do that, all we just have to do, this is for the story in the book. To do that, we'll do that with our h1. So you type in the h1 tag here, and you type in the story in the book. So hit Ctrl S to save. So by the time we go to our browser now, you see this one showing. So you can see the story in the book. That's what we have on our browser now. So let's add the other one. So now I want to add this other one. This is the chapter 2. I want to add chapter 1 right underneath it. So let's come down, we type in h2 and we type in chapter 1, and we save. So let's see the result again. I just want you guys to be seeing it as you're moving. So you can see chapter 1 right over here. So let's go back to the image again. So after the image now, we have like a paragraph here, like just a small paragraph. So you just come here, you put in the p tag, so you put in lorem as usual. I don't want to copy the exact text so that we'll be able, this video will not get too long. So I'll just put the dummy text there, then save. By the time we save, let's come here. Here you can see this is the exact something we have. So after that again, we have another paragraph underneath it. So let's just go, we have another paragraph like this. So to do that again, just come down, type in the p tag again, type in lorem. But this time it's like this other paragraph is a little bit smaller than the first one. So let's go to our browser. So by the time we come here now, Ctrl S. So you can see now we have, this is a story, we have chapter 1, we have this, then we have the other one underneath it. So by the time we come to the picture, you can see that we have the same, we have the same all through, So but if you come to this section, you see that new scientist is in slants. So we can just decide to make certain part of it to be in slants, new scientist. So you just come here, just put italic. So you just copy this section, copy, then we paste. So I think you see, by the time we save, that is done. And this section again, we've done that for italic, you don't need to do again for italic. So you also look through, you see quotation, there's a quotation from here, from this section to this section. So that's is in the second section, so we have to put some part of it. So you just do Q, then you insert, then you copy part of this section, copy. So, but for you to have like a clear something, you can decide to like type everything and see the way it works. So by the time we save, come here, save. So let's look at the output now. So Ctrl S. So we can see now this side is in quotation, it's quoted. On this side is quoted, this one is in italic. So that's just what we've been able to learn. This one is H1, H2, H2. This is a paragraph. This is a paragraph quotation. I think that's all I was covered in this video, in this project. So if you'll be able to do this simple task, congratulations. See you in the next session. So as always, like, comment, share with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. Let's grow it together. Thank you very much.